High among the ash trees. I was born with the white trunks, climbed beyond the morning rain, in a hollow carved by winter, in a tree that knew no name. 100 years of thunder, 100 summers spared, made a home above the gullies for the ones who said they cared.
The ones who said they cared.
They came beneath my branches with their banners held up high. They painted me an emblem for the cameras passing by. They spoke of my protection like a blessing they had shared, then drove away the people who had always worked up there.
They saved my name on paper.
Saved your name on paper. I put a board around my hair, then locked the gates behind them and called abandonment care. Oh, the ones who said they loved me
never listened to the trees.
They silenced all the engine,
then called the silence peace.
they wore me on their banners,
They spoke my name in prayer,
but left me to the lightning. The ones who said they cared.
the ones who said they cared.
Down below the yards lie empty, rust is gathering on the chains. There are saplings through the workshops, grass is climbing through the drains. The dozers left the district, the old hands disappeared, and the tracks that cross the ridges fade a little every year. They said the forest needed only distance, law, and time, as though fire ripped the statues, as though smoke obeyed a sign. But the bark keeps drying slowly, and the litter gathers there, while the wind rehearses softly for the day it strips the air.
They saved my face for posters,
They praised the world they spared,
but a promise cannot hold a flame
or climb a ridge prepared. Oh, the ones who said they loved me
never listened to the trees.
they silenced all the engines,
Then called the silence peace.
they wore me on their banners,
They spoke my name in prayer,
but left me to the lightning. The ones who said they cared. The ridge is dry tonight.
Now the wind comes through the timber, hot and hollow from the north, and a spark falls in the bracken where the old road once ran forth.
There is smoke below the canopy, there is thunder in the leaves. There is no court on the mountain, no decree, the fire believes. Where are the hands that knew the crossings? Where are the blades that cut the line? Where are the men who read the gullies before the smoke could climb?
You sent them from the forest, you told the world you cared. Now the red light fills the hollow,
And there is no one there. I do not into the trees.
They silenced all the engines,
Then called the silence peace.
they wore me on their banner.
They spoke my name in prayer.
But when the mountain started burning,
There was no one left up there.
no one left to hold the line.
No one left who knew the air.
They saved my name on paper,
But the paper caught the flare.
they made me their proud emblem.
The ones who said they cared. The ones who said they cared. The ones who said they cared. High above the blackened gully where the morning once came fair,
There is silence in the hollow,
and smoke upon the air.
the ones who said they cared.